Today we'll talk about how can you disable security notifications on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do. So you just go down, click here in this sign down here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on notifications. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click on security here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. So then you come here to push, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here security notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.